How long can a speedy trial be delayed before dismissal? Imagine waiting for your day in court, hoping your case moves quickly, but delays keep piling up. How long can these delays go on before your case gets thrown out? That's what we're here to find out. In the United States, the law says you have a right to a speedy trial. But how fast is fast enough? Well, it depends. On the federal level, the Speedy Trial Act says a trial must happen within 70 days after the indictment is filed or after the defendant first appears in court. If that time passes without a good reason, the charges can be dismissed. The court then decides if the case is dismissed with prejudice, meaning it can't be refiled, or without prejudice, so the government can try again later. States and juvenile courts have their own rules, some requiring trials within 15 days if the person is detained, or up to 60 days if they are not. If these deadlines are missed, the defense can ask the court to dismiss the case based on the right to a speedy trial. Courts also use a flexible test from a case called Barker versus Wingo. They look at four things: how long the delay has been, why the delay happened, if the defendant asked for a speedy trial, and if the delay caused prejudice. Prejudice can mean the defendant's defense was harmed or they experienced stress and anxiety. Delays caused by the defense or court requests for more time are usually okay. But delays caused by the prosecution or court system without a good reason are not. If a defendant feels their right to a speedy trial is violated, they should file a motion to dismiss. The court will then examine the case and decide if the delay was too long or unjustified. So, how long can a delay go before dismissal? It varies, but generally, if the delay exceeds the statutory time limits or is deemed unreasonable by the court, the case can be dismissed. Remember, knowing your rights means you can act if your trial is delayed too long. If the delay is excessive and unfair, you have the power to ask for the charges to be dropped.